If you want to start your small business but don't want to spend a lot of money and a lot of your time, or do you already have your small business but want to save time, increase engagement with your email marketing, but you don't really want to pay a ton of money, just like me? Stick around because I have just the solution for you. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about the world of email marketing automation with System.io and how can it help your business in incredible ways. If you're a small business, you are always thinking about how can I save time? I boost my efficiency and engagement with your customers, your subscribers, right? Now, manual email marketing can be a real headache. I did that in the beginning when I was starting my digital product business, and it can consume the majority of your day. You have to manage your contact list, schedule emails, track engagement all by yourself. Again, one man show. Now, there is a way to automate this entire process, making it not only easy, but also cost effective, because there are plenty of softwares out there that can do this for a lot of money, which we don't have. Now, System.io comes in and says, hey, I'm an all-in-one platform that allow you to set up email marketing automations with just a few clicks, among other things. But it's designed for everyone. It doesn't matter if you're a tech savvy or not. Now, if you don't have a System.io account, down below on the description, there's a link and you can create your free account there. It's truly free, and it will give you 3 funnels, 2,000 contact list, 1 blog, 1 course, and 1 community. That's more than enough to build your business from 0 to 2,000 subscribers. Those 2,000 subscribers can become customers, but you will need to nurture. And this is when the campaigns and the email campaigns come in. So let's talk about that. Once you are logged into your System.io account, this is what you should be looking at. Your new leads, if it's new, you should say 0. Your sales are going to be here. Your live updates for the last 31 days should be here in this list. So in order to create your email campaigns or your email newsletter, you already should have your funnel created. And if you're interested in learning how to build a funnel, I do have a free course down below in the description. Go ahead and click. It's a free course, basic course that will show you how to create a freebie funnel. So we go here in the funnel. This is the funnel that we created, and we need to create automation rules for whenever someone opt in into this quiz page here in System.io, the system automatically, doesn't matter the time of the day, if we are on vacations or we're sleeping, the system will send them the email with what they just opted in. So if we go to the main dashboard of the funnel on the squeeze page, you see an option here that says automation rules. Right now we have 0 automation rules for this funnel. So we are going to add a rule, and we're going to add a rule to tell the system that when a contact subscribe through this form, we need the system to send an email. And okay, you have 2 options when someone opts in into your funnels. You can send 1 single email with the digital product attached or the link, and that's it. Or you can subscribe them to a campaign. I'm going to do the email first, but I always prefer a campaign, and I'll explain why in a little bit. Now, if you have your email created already, you just select the email from the drop-down list, and that's it. You say the rule. We don't have the email created, so we just click here on the plus sign and create the email. Create a subject that is simple, short, but that catch their attention. So let's say here is your best ebook ever. If you like to have a preview on the email, this is the area you will do it, and this is the body. Here you will say, hi, always use the substitute to personalize this email. Here is your book. So if you prefer the links for them to download, select whatever word you desire and add a link. You can also add an image and have the link attached to the email, or you can also attach the document if it's not too heavy. If we go to the right, we write our names, email addresses. Right now I'm using this one. This is my dummy account, but it's always recommended to have your own domain. And then we click save. Now the email is selected and we save rule. And that's it. You see a gray check mark. That means that step, that rule is not activated. So it doesn't work. It is ready, but it's not so work. It's not going to work if someone opt in into that funnel. So we always go to the three dots here and we enable the rule. And now it's green. Now it works. So now every time someone's opt in that funnel, they enter their name and email address, and email is going to go out automatically with the digital product. But right now, we have no automation rules. We're going to automate this with a campaign. Subscribe, add an action, and we're going to subscribe to a campaign. Now, there are no campaigns created, but if you had that campaign created already, it will be here. You select that campaign from the drop-down list, you save the rule, and that's it. But since we don't have it, we're going to go into email campaigns, and then we're going to create that campaign. So create, same thing. System.io is very simple. It's always the same thing. Create, save, create, save. So this campaign is going to be called Best Ebook Ever. If you need a description for this campaign, here's where you add in, save. The campaign is created, but it has no emails right now. So we select the campaign and we start creating the emails. And this is going to be the same thing that we did before. But for here, well, just the same thing, substitute. So your email is created. You will select the word that you want to be linked to your digital product. You can select an image here, or you can add the attachment, same thing, send their name, send their email, and you saved and exit. Now you only have one email. We need to create at least 2 emails for this campaign. And here is where I ask them, what was your experience with my ebook? Have you opened it? Have you seen your ebook, or have you received your ebook? Whatever you feel it works for you. And same thing. Hi. I hope that you are enjoying your ebook. I hope you're enjoying your ebook, and then you write something about, if you haven't had the chance to review, here is the link again for you to get to review it and see it. Please let me know what you think. I will appreciate any reviews, any feedback. After you check everything else, you save and exit. Right now, they're all set to be sent in. After this campaign is linked to the funnel. We don't want that. We don't want one email immediately and then the other email 2 to 3 days after. So we make sure we take the first email, we go to the 3 dots and we activate, and we leave it like this because we want this email to be sent immediately after they opt in into that funnel and it's activated. Now the second email, we go to the 3 dots, activate. Now this one, let's say we want it 3 days after. Now 3 days after this email is sent, we're gonna knock on their doors and say, hey, how are you? Did you forget about me? I would love to know your experience with my ebook. I would love some feedback. Here's my ebook again, in case you didn't have the time to review it. After you do that, You wait up 2 to 3 days, and then you include this subscriber into your welcome sequence. And your welcome sequence is going to be a separate campaign. So you're just going to go to the main dashboard of your campaigns, and you're going to create a welcome campaign, and you're going to do the same thing. Welcome campaigns, it's going to depend on your audience. Your audience might like 3 emails, 4 emails, 5 emails. Just a couple of examples. Those emails should include problem solutions issues that you solve, and you definitely have to add some value. So make sure that you solve some problems in those emails for them to fall in love with you and like you. Show additional testimonials in those emails for them to see that you actually work with people and that you are actually a business that solves problems. Go over important features of your programs, features that people are looking for, are researching on Google search or YouTube. Add bonuses if you have a YouTube channel or your social media, or you have another freebies. Make sure that you add that on your welcome sequence, and they will see that you add value to them. After they finish that campaign for your welcome sequence, make sure you add them to your weekly newsletters. And those newsletters are the ones that you're going to start adding your paid digital products or your courses or your memberships if you have that. So right now we have our campaign, and then we have to go back to our funnels. We come here. So we go to a squeeze page, to the main dashboard. We go to automation rules. We already had the rule created, but we didn't have a step. We didn't have an action. So we go to action, subscribe to a campaign, and now we're going to have that campaign listed. We save the rule, and that's it. I really hope this helped you to create that automation on your business with System.io. As you saw, this is very easy. System.io is very easy. And you can create all these automations that I showed you today with your free account. So you can have a freebie funnel with a campaign ready to go, ready to build your subscribers, your audience up to 2,000 emails. So if you're thinking about starting a business, this is a great option for you. You don't need an email software, and you just need a funnel. So that's all for today. All the links are going to be down below in the description for additional videos and trainings. You also have the basic course to create your funnel in case you don't have your funnel created. And also remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video if it was helpful. I do publish a video every week. I'll see you next week.